everyone, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. In today's video we are going to be exfoliating the skin, and as you can see I am already exfoliating my skin. This is a wonderful exfoliator, guys. I'm using a lot of anti-aging ingredient in this exfoliator to get rid of the dullness from my skin. So if you're looking for an amazing, guys, you're gonna be so blown away with this facial scrub, the ingredient, the combination. And right now my skin is feeling like tight, like ooh, amazing. So if you want to see how I make this wonderful facial scrub for the face, the neck, the décolleté, and basically for a young, fresh, bright, radiant, glowing skin, then come with me in the kitchen and I'll show you how to whip this up in no time. Now our first ingredient is brown sugar. If you do not have brown sugar for this recipe, go ahead and use some white sugar. Brown sugar is great for exfoliating your skin. It's gonna get rid of the dead skin cell. When you apply the brown sugar on your skin in circular motion, it will help to get rid of those dirt and grease that is locked into the pores, and what will happen, it will leave your skin just soft and supple. Not only that, brown sugar granules are very soft, and because of the softness it will not irritate your skin. Brown sugar is one ingredient that is great for most skin type. Our next ingredient is oatmeal, and here I have some oatmeal. Oatmeal will help to tighten and firm the skin, but it is also great as an exfoliator. It will help to slush the dead skin cell off your skin and leave your skin just bright, radiant, and supple. So to prepare this oatmeal, the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to blend the oatmeal. And take a look, here is our blended oatmeal. And the oatmeal is now ready to use. You can choose to blend the oatmeal and store it in your refrigerator for about 2 to 3 weeks. All right. Now our next ingredient is coffee, and this is freshly brewed coffee. Now take a look at the coffee beans right here. So what I did with the coffee beans, I just blend the coffee beans and brew it. And here I have our coffee juice. All right. Now take a look at my final ingredient, and this is tomato. Tomato is also a great ingredient to exfoliate the skin, to get rid of the scars, the spots, and also to just basically have your skin just radiant and glowing. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to prepare my tomato. So to prepare the tomato, I'm just going to chop my tomato. I'm using like a half of a medium tomato. I'm going to chop the tomato like I'm showing here, and then I'm going to place it in the blender, blend, and here we have our tomato puree, and this is what we're going to use in this recipe. So let's recap the ingredient. We're going to be using some brown sugar or white sugar. We're using some blended oatmeal. We're using some coffee, and we're also going to be using some tomato puree. So for our brown sugar, I'm using 3 tablespoons of brown sugar. For our oatmeal, I'm using 2 tablespoons of our blended oatmeal, and 1 tablespoon is 15 ml, so we're using 30 ml of our oatmeal, and we use 45 ml of brown sugar. So first I'm just going to mix the 2 dry ingredients. Just blend well. This is a great exfoliator for your skin, guys. Not only is this a great exfoliator, but this is one exfoliator that is great for most skin type. The only thing you might have to worry about if you have very sensitive skin is the tomato, but this is good to use even without the tomato. And next, I'm going to start by adding 1 tablespoon of our coffee. And I'm starting with 2 tablespoons of the tomato puree. And we're gonna work this in the brown sugar and oatmeal. And this amount of liquid is perfect. You do not need to add any more. Now, when it comes on to the liquid, do not pour the liquid in the dry ingredient until you are ready to use it. So just before you use it, that is when you pour the liquid, because you want to keep the granules from the brown sugar in this recipe. And now your awesome, your wonderful exfoliator is ready. A perfect exfoliator for the aging skin. If you're looking to go somewhere, you're looking to just have that quick result, that fast result, basically that instant brightening clean skin result, here it is for you. Now I'm going on the other side and I'm going to show you how to use this for best result on your face. So here we have our wonderful, amazing scrub. And to use the scrub, you just rinse your face with some warm water. If you have makeup on, however, remove your makeup. And now your face is ready to exfoliate. Now, you're going to use your hands to exfoliate the skin. So you're just going to mix it up. There it is. And just rub it in your hands and exfoliate. Smell really good too. All right. Nice. Amazing, guys. I could smell the coffee. I could smell the oatmeal. Push this back. Just exfoliate the skin. It's gonna feel a little sticky, but that's okay. And the granules is fine enough, okay? So, perfect lip scrubber. Exfoliate the skin. Amazing. Wow, let me dip back. Now I'm gonna be like really generous with this. Ooh, nice. All right. Okay. Ooh. Awesome, guys. This is amazing. Amazing. Exfoliate your under eyes. Slowly exfoliate the under eyes. You want to get rid of all the dead skin cells that cause all that dullness under your eyes. Your nose, guys. If you find yourself with a lot of blackhead, whitehead, and even not, you want to get rid of the grease from your nose, just exfoliate. Ooh. Don't forget the neck and the décolleté. Circular motion. Enjoy this facial scrub. And while you're exfoliating, you're going to feel the skin tightening also because of the oatmeal. This is amazing. This is like a no joke facial that we're doing right here. Now, after exfoliating your skin, you can sit with this facial scrub on your skin for another 5 minutes to further tighten that skin up. Now, this is a wonderful facial scrub to share. You know, you make this, you share it with your friends, you share it with your family, and it's also an amazing facial scrub for couple because exfoliating the face together, I mean, you know, it's just a wonderful thing to do together. Really an amazing. Therefore, I'm simply saying that this facial scrub is great for both males and females. All right, so after you sit with this for 5 minutes, then you go back in for another 30 seconds to a minute, and then you're gonna rinse off. I suggest to rinse this scrub off with some warm water. So after you rinse it off, just pat dry the skin, spritz on some facial toner, let it hair dry, and then you apply your serum and your moisturizer.